Hello friends, this is Mr. Giridhar.
And this is Mrs. Vijayshri.
In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to keep the children engaged at home.
Okay, you mean to keep them engaged during the current scenario where they are forced to stay at home due to this COVID situation?
Yeah, but this idea which I am going to give to the parents can be used at any point of time. It is not only during this situation, COVID situation. Can be used at any point of time.
Okay, this is what you propagate over time. I would see that you'll be talking to children on that.
Right,
Yeah.
right. So in this idea, I would like to tell to the parents, like they can divide the day into 3 different time zones.
Like 3 different activity zones or something like that?
Yeah, 3 different activity time zones we can call it.
Okay,
So
okay.
in the first zone, time zone, the children can attend their online classes in the present situation, or they could go to the school if the school is reopened. So that is the first time zone. In the second time zone, the children get to have some bonding with the parents. That is called as bonding time. So there the children get to interact or help the parents. They could help small little things for the parents, or they could help the siblings, or they could just have interaction session with the grandparents who are the living encyclopedia.
Okay, you mean to say something like a family bonding or something like you would have, no, we would have earlier time you had quality time with the family, something like that, is it?
Yeah, almost something like that. But the third one, I would call it as me time.
It's me time. I'm very curious to know what is it me time.
Me
First
time,
time I'm hearing it.
yeah, me time is something like where the children get to do whatever they wanted to do. It's
Okay.
like they could write poems, they could write stories, they could write anything, whatever they would like to do it.
It could be any sort of passion what they have. How do you explain it?
Yeah, see, me time is something where the children like to do what the child wanted to do. It's something there is no force from the parents or anyone else.
Okay.
So in this time, the child could just sit and solve puzzles, or the child just wanted to try some recipes. The child can just do that.
Okay. If to my understanding, what you state, the child can explore his passions, but it should be his own. Somebody can help him. Is it, or is it that he has to do everything on his own?
Yeah. See, this particular time, for example, I would like to explain the situation. Like, for example, particular time, like morning, the child is attending the online sessions from 9 to 12:30, 1 o'clock. Then after that, the child will just have his or her lunch and then relax. So every day, that 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 2 hours, they can have it in a structured way and call this as me time. So in this particular time, the child is not forced to do any given thing. See, at the same time, I want to tell you, like, it is not the homework time. So,
Okay.
yeah.
It is only his or her passion, something like drawing
Absolutely,
and all that.
absolutely. So whatever the child want to just do some artwork, the child can do it. The child just wanted to read something, the child can go ahead with that. The child wanted to write some poems, or child wanted to do some puzzles. Some children will be interested in playing. I think in our own olden days, I have played myself the teacher and student role. Like we can do that.
Role play.
Role
Yes,
play.
Very good.
So anything. So this particular time will bring the hidden talent of the child.
So you basically mean to say is it is the child's voluntary effort, whereas the parents will pitch in if support is needed. But it's
Yes.
not the parents say you do this role or something like that. It cannot be forced upon.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So I understand with what you mentioned about me time. Probably one's passion and one's career also could be the same. Provided he develops it regularly. See, we do have passion. I also have certain passions, but I will not be able to use it very often because I am overburdened with education. But if I have a small slot given to me in a consistent way, probably I would have ensured that my passion has grown to a professional level where I would really be benefited by it, because a person whose passion and his work and profession, I mean to say work and profession is the same, they are the most luckiest people in the. That's what I feel as an individual. I should have both together. If it's the same, I'm the happiest person.
Yes. When you're just telling this, I just remembered one child by name Dinesh. So usually in my classes, I would give them me time. So in me time, the child is given time to do anything on his or her own. So in one particular day, like I just told, after finishing the class, there was some 15 minutes. I told the children to do anything. They know I usually tell that as me time. So the children know that me time is something where the child can do anything on that particular time.
Yeah.
So this child by name Dinesh, like whenever me time was given, he would love to do something on planets, solar system.
Okay.
Yeah. In one of the PTMs, I just told his parents, like he's so much interested into this solar system and planets, and they in turn encouraged this, and they bought a simple telescope.
Yeah, now when you said, I remember it's almost 2 decades back. You had a
Yes,
person,
yeah,
and I remember, because the telescope is one common term which I remember you had told me.
Yeah.
So what is he doing now?
Yeah, he is now working as a scientist in one of our space research organization.
Oh, great!
Yeah.
See see that's the problem. Me time that he has utilized it properly.
Yes.
His parents, obviously, when you're telling this, I feel parents also can do some sort of encouragement rather than interfering to the job. Probably they can just give a small push. I don't say in financial terms, in even the sort of encouragement. Children need encouragement more than anything else.
True, very true.
Yeah, true.
So now I would just love to show you like one child by name Sanjana Karthikeyan, a 5-year-old child from Bangalore, is how she is baking a chocolate cake, enjoying baking chocolate cake in particular time given to her. So she knows that is her me time.
You mean to say a 5-year-old girl?
Yes.
My God, she should really be passionate about it.
Yes, of course. In another video, I would just like to show you a 9-year-old boy, Srijit, from Chennai, how he is teaching his peer group some concept in mathematics.
Okay. So when you're mentioning all this, it only says that the me time can also can be a way to understand a student's a career as such.
Yes.
And is it me time restricted to only these children?
No, a big no to that. See, me time, I can have my own me time. You can have your own me time. See, in recent time, one of my close friend from Coimbatore, Muttumina, I can just show it. Like she is just pursuing her passion towards drawing and painting, and she's doing fabulous job in that. And she's writing poems in Tamil.
Great. No, that gives a lot of satisfaction when you do something with your interest and with passion. Probably it can go to greater heights of professionalism and in the interest you're putting into this project. It should be a great option. I think many of us, including me and I think we should also revive our me time thoughts, and we have to do some quality time to ourselves rather than always thinking of looking into others. Probably we need to do that.
Yeah, right. You're absolutely right. Like I would like to tell you, like we can do small things with great passion. That's it.
Yeah, I'm more curious to see the videos. When you say the 5-year-old child.
Okay, now I would
passions.
like to show you the videos.
Please.
Yes.
Hi friend, this is Sanjana. Today I am making chocolate cake. Come, let's see. We need maida, cocoa powder, condensed milk, oil, powdered sugar, chocolate chips, milk, baking powder, baking soda. Let's add sugar. Oil. condensed milk. Mix well. Add the maida, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda. Sieve the flour. Mix well. Add milk. Mix well. Add chocolate chip. Mix well. Now grease the pan. Sprinkle the flour. Now pan is ready. Pour the batter. Let it set. Now preheat the oven to 190 degrees. Set for yummy.
All the 2-digit numbers that have 1 in the tens place. So, the numbers which have 1 in the tens place must be 10 to 19. So, the numbers from 10 to 19 all have 1 in the tens place. And from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, they have all the numbers here and 1 in the tens place. So all the numbers between 10 and 19 are the answer, such as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, that's it. 20 will not come because it has 2 in the tens place. So this is the answer.